Hello folks, welcome to Paul Sherry RVs up here in Piqua, Ohio. My name is Matt Jones. Today I'd like to walk you through a brand new 2020 Forest River Grey Wolf. This is a 26 DBH, our most popular seller of everything we've got here on the entire lot. We'll sell more of this than anything we've got here all year. It's a great four-person, couple kids, couple adults coach. We'll take a look at the outside and then make our way to the inside. Start here right at the front of this unit. Got two 20-pound tanks underneath this cover here, as well as a power tongue jack. 2 5/16 ball on this unit will get you going. All of our units, new units, come fully prepped. That includes a new battery that'll sit right in behind your tanks. Includes your detailing, LP fill, and that no charge to you, the customer. Backside of your water heater here, it's got electric or gas. This unit comes with 4-corner manual stabilizers, so a nice battery-powered drill and socket will get those down. Keep everything stable on the unit. One slide out on this unit houses your dinette and your couch. Move along to the back side here. Got all our hookups. Got our sewer underneath. We got our fresh and city water here. Your 30 amp cord that comes with the unit will hook in here. Got outside shower here, cold and hot. Another one of your stabilizers here at the rear corner, as well as storage all the way underneath the bunk. See, plenty of storage there on the outside. All of our Cherokee Grey Wolf products come with a 200-pound fold-down cargo rack in the rear. Spare tires attached to it. Unit's also pre-wired for rear camera, so all you need is the camera, but all the wiring's been done, so it's plug and play from there. Move along to the camping side of this unit. It's got 2 entry points. This rear entry point here is right into your bathroom. We'll look at here momentarily. So that's nice if someone just wants to get in and do their business and get back out. Full power awning with LED strip. Got marine style speakers to the outside, as well as the same TV mount that you got on the inside, so you can move your TV in or out with the hookups right here. We'll take a look inside the unit. It's got a nice friction hinge door here, handle up to 25-mile-an-hour winds. Stable steps that fold into the unit going into the inside. Let's take a look at our bedroom. Pocket doors for privacy. Got your mirrored hanging closets as well as overhead storage. Queen bed with comforter. We'll take a look on the slide room here. You've got a jackknife couch as well as a U-shaped dinette that'll fold and sleep. Get nice big storage doors on this unit. 4 feet of storage, so plenty of storage space underneath the dinette. Nice big windows on the dinette as well. Let's look opposite of that at your galley kitchen. Undermount style sink here. It's the farmhouse look. Nice Furrion stainless steel microwave as well as a nice backsplash that sits on top of your range in your cooktop and oven combo here. 2-way Dometic fridge, gas or electric. Freezer on top, fridge on bottom. Got a full pantry on this unit. That's a nice plus as well. Storage top to bottom on that. Here are your double bunks and your double bunkhouse. Built-in ladder. Got a window on top, window on bottom. Very convenient. Plenty of light. Look into the corner here. We've got our stand-up tub shower combo. Got a fantastic fan above it. Foot flush toilet, as well as your mirrored vanities and sink and cabinetry. There's that other entry door I was talking about, right into your bathroom for convenience. Before we sound off here, let's just check in on our entertainment center. There's that other TV mount I was telling you about. You got hookups in the ceiling. Also got a nice fireplace on this unit as well. Electric fireplace, won't use any of your propane. So once again, this is a 2020 Forest River Grey Wolf. It's a 26 DBH. Stock number is 10503. Come out to Paul Sherry today and see us. Thanks for watching.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.